What's happening? This your man, Chris Watts. Off top, you know we got to give God the glory and the honor. You know I got to recognize my beautiful queen, Allie, baby, and my three beautiful girls, Antoinette, Annalise, and Alexia. So let's get to this prophetic word for the day. This is your prophetic word, and hear me good. The quickest way, and I mean the quickest and the fastest, the quickest way for you to get to your next level and your next season is that you must fully embrace your now season and your now level. You have to understand, sometimes going through our now seasons, part of our now seasons include times of being in the valley and the low times. But you have to understand the quickest way to get to your next season, your next level, is that you must fully surrender and embrace the now level that God has you on. Even if it includes storms and hard times. What do you do when your hard times has been heaven sent? Who am I talking to? Because you have to understand, some of you are fasting against and fighting against the very thing that God has sent into your life, but you decreeing and declaring that it is of the devil. You have to understand that every hard time is not of the devil. Every storm is not of the devil. Every low time is not because you've been attacked, but it's because you have been assigned and you are on an assignment. Who am I talking to right now? Who am I? Look, let me give you some of this Bible real quick. Let's talk about the children of Israel. It was God that sent them through the wilderness. Not because he wanted to punish them, but because he wanted to test what was in their heart. See, some of you, you're going through some stuff because God wants to develop your character. He wants to strengthen your internal fortitude so you can be able to sustain the weight of the next blessing that he's about to release into your hands. My Lord, my God, but I'm not Thomas. I'm not doubting. Who am I talking to right now? Let's talk about the children of Israel even some more. How about Pharaoh, the taskmaster? God said, for this very reason did I raise up Pharaoh, so that I can get glory out of him. You mean to tell me God raised up Pharaoh? God, you put Pharaoh in place to put all this hard labor on us, to be our taskmaster, just so you can get glory out of him? God said, for this very reason I raised Pharaoh up, just so I can get glory. Could it be God is raising up enemies in your life just so he can get glory out of them on behalf of you? But give me an amen, horn. Who am I talking to right now? How about Joseph? Everything he went through, Joseph said it was God working it out for his good. How about Job? I just got through talking about Job last week. Everything he went through, it was heaven sent. What do you do when your hard time has been heaven sent? How about in the New Testament, the disciples and the people came to Jesus because it was a little boy born blind. And they said, Jesus, master, they said this little boy was born blind. Who has sinned? And Jesus said, neither. Jesus said, not his mama, not his dad. I'm going to get country on you. Not his mama and not his daddy. Not daddy, but not neither his mama nor his daddy sin. But he said the boy was born blind just so the glory of God can be revealed. You could be going through your storm. God could be sending enemies your way just so he can get the glory out of them, but on behalf of you, to take you to your next level. Just so you can be the example that there is a Most High God, the one true living God that hears and sees it all. Woo! As I get ready to end, because I feel sweat starting to come down me, but this sun got your boy looking good, clean, and fly, saved, and holy, and righteous. If the quickest way to get to your next season and your next level is to fully embrace your now season and your now level, don't give up, man. Keep walking by faith. I done been there. I'm there. God still got me making faith power moves, but it's all for his glory. Because there is more to be conquered, more to be attained, and more to be lived out. You know, we say this isn't the beginning, this is forever together. It's not another dream big, work hard, and live easy. Peace.